So we are going to repeat few questions. We have discussed this kind of question while finding this surface area. Now we are going to repeat few questions in the same with the same values to find the volume, right? So let's start. This question we have discussed in context of finding surface area. Now we are going to find volume of this combination of solids. Let's read the question. A solid is in the form of cylinder. Okay, so that is a cylinder with hemispherical ends. So this is cylinder and there are two hemispherical ends. The total height of the solid is 19 centimeter. Important information. So total height is 19 centimeter. Okay. Then the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Okay, this diameter is of 7 centimeter. Find the volume of the arrangement or solid, let's say. So this is one hemisphere on top. There is another hemisphere at the bottom, right? At two ends, one at each. So if I join two hemispheres, I'm going to use the same logic that I used previously to find the volume of the arrangement. So let's say if I join two hemispheres, right, I'm going to get one sphere. Remember 3D dimension, don't consider it as a circle, consider it as a 3D hemisphere. So let's start with the hemisphere. So if I join two hemispheres, remember I will be getting the sphere. That's why I'm only writing here sphere. So let's start sphere. It is. For sphere, we only need to have one dimension, which is radius, right? So here 2r is equal to 7 centimeter. Can you tell me why 2r is equal to 7 centimeter? Because it is given that it is diameter, right? So radius will be what? 7 by 2 centimeter. Done? Now we need to find the volume. Remember, we are talking about the volume. So volume of hemisphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3, then 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Remember it is cube, right? Pi r cube. 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2s are 2 cancel. 2 1s are 11s. So what's left? 7 into 7 into 11, denominator 3. So it will be 11 multiplied by 49 and 3 here. So 9 1s are 9. 4 and 9 will give you 13. So 3 here and 1 carry over. So 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 9 and 3 centimeter cube. Remember here we are talking about the volume, not the surface area. So don't write centimeter square by mistake. Now let's talk about this cylinder. Okay, we are going to find the volume of cylinder and we are going to add with the sphere. That's very simple arrangement. Let's start. So cylinder it is. Cylinder. For cylinder, you need to have radius, which is same as the sphere, 7 by 2. Okay. But what about the height? Remember we discussed this as well, right? For the same sum, this is 7 by 2. This is also 7 by 2. So from 19, we need to remove 7 by 2, 7 by 2. So if you add 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2, you will get 14 by 2, which is 7. So you need to subtract 19 and 7. That is what? 12 centimeter, right? 19 minus 7 will give you 12 centimeter. So height is 12 centimeter. Then now we need to just put the volume formula for the cylinder and we are done with the sum. Just need to add as well. So volume is equal to, what is the volume formula? Pi r square h. Simple. So 22 by 7 into r is what? 7 by 2, 7 by 2 because r square it is and h is 12. So 7, 7, 1s are 11s are 1s are and 6s are. So what's left? 11 and 7 6 are 42 and there's nothing in denominator. Okay, good. So that's it. Here 2, 4 plus 2, 6 and 4 centimeter square. So these are the centimeter cube. Remember, centimeter cube volume it is. So now let's find the total volume of the arrangement. Important. We need to find the total volume of the solid. So let's start. Total volume is equal to 462 plus what's that? 539 divided by 3. Now see, there are two ways. You take the LCM, then you add, or if you want to convert this 539 in the form of decimal, that also you can do it, right? I'm just doing the LCM. It depends, if there is a very big number, then I can do decimal as well. Depends, it's up to you as well. 3 2s are 6, then 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over, 12 plus 1 13, 1 3 8 6 plus 5 3 9 and 3 in denominator. So let's add 6 and 9 will give you 15, 5 carry over 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 and 4, 4 and 5 9, 1 as it is and denominator 3 centimeter cube. Remember, we are talking about the volume. So this is our final answer of the volume of this arrangement. Let's recall the step. We have already discussed some related to this, but we find the surface area, not the volume. So in this case, I used the same method. You take the two hemisphere, you join it, you will be getting sphere. Okay, we have radius, diameter actually we have it, that is 7 centimeter. So radius will be what? Divide by 2, find the volume of this sphere, done. Then find the volume of this cylinder. For that we don't have height, so you need to use some calculations logic and you will get the height of the cylinder. Then we'll get the volume of the cylinder, done. Add these two volumes and get the answer. So this is the volume of this solid arrangement.